How's it going, guys? So today we are heading over to Mount Dora, Florida for a military truck convention. It's supposed to be like 100 acres of military trucks and vendors selling things. There's supposed to be some decent halves there, Humvees. There's some tanks too, which is pretty cool. So basically, you name it, they got it there. I thought it'd be a pretty cool video, and I thought it'd be pretty cool to bring you guys along too. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you there. So we just got here. Looks like it's about to rain though. So gonna go try to get as much stuff done as we can before it starts raining. Oh my God, they got little half tracks. New wheels on it. That one has brand new wheels on it. I saw this one last time we were here. Look at the armor on it. They're a 1/4 inch. Doesn't look very comfortable though. This thing's pretty cool.
Down, that pressure inside the case shuts the fuel up into the piston. It pops off, and it pops off, it goes down to the bottom. But check it out. His name is Attila. Let's see if Attila will race. The starter bendix has been sticking. Let's see if it'll. See?
Pretty cool.
Weird little sound. The exhaust is 2 tiny little holes, right?
Yeah.
Increased back pressure, so the compression 5.7 and the run, it's kind of a variable compression. Whatever it's running on, it kind of balances the exhaust and the compression to run.
totally climb in there. Oh yeah, they put cameras on there. I wonder what those are for. Oh wow. Look at the semi-truck version.
That's what the guy. It's got seats in the back.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. We need that. Some nice deuces. This is the perfect camper. I'm not good at these places because I want everything. It's not good. Wow. It has AC, headliner. Look at those seats. This thing is perfect. Look at this thing, it's right-hand drive. Pretty cool. See, I want to put those high back seats in mine too in the back. That looks really cool. Alright everybody, so I'm going to wrap up this video right here. It was a pretty cool day, saw some cool things, so hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.